Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P day trade setup for today. So, typical start to a Monday after hours, but anyway, let's just start off with the daily. Just a recap on the weekend. If you haven't seen my weekend review, this is the level I'm watching at the moment. That's 30.22, 30.27. That's just the previous. You can see this is the previous swing high, and you can see quite a few touches of this area. So that's pretty much what we're looking at the moment. And obviously what I want to see is a move back into that area to find some support. There is another level just below, which also I wouldn't mind it being tested sometime in the near future, and that is 29,760. Okay, so just with those two levels in, you can see we had a bit of a rally at the close, but a lot of that was after hours. So we kind of opened roughly where the S&P actually closed. And we rallied a bit and coming back again. So I'd expect us to be in this area during Europe Open at least. So somewhere around this area of 30.23, between 30.27 and 30.22. That's the range that I'm looking at to find some support. If we can find some support in there, then that's what I am waiting for. Okay, so the thing is, just draw that line in there because you can see we have a bit of consolidation at a pretty major level. And why I say it's a major level, if you look at it on the weekly, you'll see what I mean. We've got a double test of that area on the weekly. So that's definitely a pretty serious level. Okay, so just get down to the 1 hour. So my plan of action for today is pretty simple. I'm looking for some kind of support. Now there are a few areas I can find support, so let's just get rid of some of the noise. Okay, so the first area is roughly in the zone where we are now. Okay, and you can see, look to the left, look at how many fractals we have. So it's pretty much with an area of support. Was used as resistance as well on Friday, and then was used as support as well. And then just below that, we have another little area here. Okay, so starting at the top, we're looking at 30.39, then we're moving down to 30.33, and then the one that I'm really looking for is 30.23, 30.27. If I just fine tune it, you'll see where I'm getting it from, 30.25. So that's kind of the area that I'd be looking for. If those three give way, then we have a number of situations to the downside. And I wouldn't worry too much about these here. I'd be looking deeper down for between 29.88 and 29.76. Okay, 30,000, oh, sorry, not 30,000, but 3,000 is also in between that. Being a round number would also attract some buyers. Okay, so in other words, I am long. I'm looking for opportunities to be long. I have no interest in being short at the moment. This trend is firmly to the upside, and this to me is just a consolidation at a major level. So I'm looking for the support to the break of that level, and then I'm looking to get moving. It may do 2 or 3 attempts at that level, not too worried about that, but as far as I'm concerned, this is moving to the upside. What would change my mind moving to the downside? We're going to have to get below, well, if we get below this 30.27 area, sorry, 30.25, 30.27 area, and we'd come down and we retest it and then start making lower lows, that would get me short for the next area here down at 29.76. But we'd have to get through 29.76 and retest that for me to be proper bearish. Okay, so at the moment, that's my plan of action at the moment. I'm just going to close off on the 15 just to see nothing else. So you can see, you look on the 15, you can see what happened on Friday. Low volumes, massive manipulation on the market going into the close. And now we gapped down, came up, and we're now moving down. I expect us to come and find some kind of support in this area where we were bouncing on Friday. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's it from me today. Hope that helps. And yeah, whatever you do, keep those stops tight and stay safe. We'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.